Sir Giggles has one job: protect the village from the legendary dragon, Snorzalot. But there's a problem. Sir Giggles laughs at everything, including the idea of fighting a dragon. When he arrives at the cave, sword in hand and giggle in throat, he discovers that Snorzalot isn't breathing fire. He's snoring so loudly that it's causing mini earthquakes and milkshakes to explode all over town. Instead of slaying the dragon, Sir Giggles tries to wake him up with tickles, jokes, even a kazoo solo. Nothing works until he accidentally laughs so hard, he sets off a sound wave that wakes Snorzalot up. Turns out, the dragon is really sorry and agrees to take nap classes on a cloud far away from town. The two become best friends and open a sleep therapy center for other noisy magical creatures. Laughter can solve problems better than swords. Sometimes the best heroes are the ones who don't fight at all. A good laugh can shake a mountain, at least wake up a sleepy dragon.